Good morning, everyone. Today's Tuesday, February 23rd, 24th. Is it 24th? I'm sorry, with all the dates. And so today is a very beautiful day in Fort Worth, Texas. And also it's a day that two of our Vietnamese bhikkhu are leaving Fort Worth, Texas to go back to Vietnam to continue their journey in Vietnam. And so we are here at the Hương Vipassana Bhavana Center in Fort Worth. We'd like to share with you the images of our two bhikkhu Định Giới and bhikkhu Tuệ Bảo, saying goodbye to Hương Dao, saying goodbye to me, and going head out to go back to Vietnam. So here is Venerable Tuệ Bảo. This is Venerable Tuệ Bảo right here. So,
hello everyone.
You have anything to say to the all the audience here that they give you a lot of hearts right now?
Hope to see you again in May, right?
May 2nd to May 10th is a Vesak day, right?
See you here in May. Yeah.
Anything else?
I don't know what to say, but thank you everybody to follow us, and may you be happy and peace.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. And here's bhikkhu Định Giới. Hello, Sư Định Giới. You have anything to share with the audience? A lot of people here waiting to see you too, and giving you a lot of hearts right here on the screen. So you have anything to share with the audience?
Hello everyone. Today I come back Vietnam. Today, statement. Today.
Okay, and today's Venerable Định Giới and Venerable Tuệ Bảo go back to Vietnam, and they'll be back with us soon in May event, Vesak Day 2026, May 2nd to May 10, and hopefully we will meet with each other again in May. So let's say bye to Venerable Tuệ Bảo and Venerable Định Giới so they can head out. And this is Chánh Đạo, Venerable Chánh Đạo right here. He's still here at the monastery, and all the Thais Venerable, they just left this morning to go out. People invite, so they are not here this morning. Okay. Thank you. You have a safe trip home. And this is hi, Aloka. Aloka. Aloka, you have anything to say? Here. Aloka, you have anything to share? Yeah?
Look up. Yeah. Ra.
This is the place where most of us always come out here to meditate, and this is the meditation garden, the tranquility pond, and we used to hang out around here and meditate, breathe in and breathe out. And a lot of people, they come to the temple just to walk around here before they take off for work. And so every morning, remember that you have to write out the statement, today is going to be my peaceful day, right? And then after that, if you cannot focus on breathing when you sit, you can also do the walking meditation, just slowly, step by step, and focus on your breathing or focus on your steps. That is how you also practice mindfulness as well. Just focus, stay focused, and always try to be mindful with your things in your daily life. And that is how we transform everything, because our mind is always filled up with all kind of unhappy things, sufferings, and defilements. That is why we always giving out our mind something else that is better, which is mindfulness or positive thoughts. If we could do that every day, our days will be different, our day will be peaceful and happy. So today I would like to share with you a short message like that while Venerable Tuệ Bảo and India is living. And so I will see you all soon, and may you all be well, happy and peaceful. Thank you.